So if you have any problems with knots and things like that around your body, on your muscles, or you need some myofascial release, or sometimes you just want some heating and cooling onto the muscles, you might want to take a look at this. This does have quite a few features. We do have 6 different heads here. We've got an arm extension that you can put on here, and I'll show all that here in just a second. Now, it does come with a charging cord here. You're going to go ahead and just put this into the back of it to go ahead and just charge it up. It does have 6 different heads. Each head is just a little bit different. So for instance, this head right here, that would be good for your neck and along your spine. That's why we have more like a goalpost setting right here. And then we have 2 different heads here, some wider heads for some larger muscles. Depends on if you want something that's kind of round or you want something flat. Also, we have one, I like this one quite a bit. This is something that's going to really pinpoint those areas where, for instance, I have some problems on my rear deltoids up where my lat attaches, and I get a lot of pain there. And so this helps really get to that one spot that some of these larger ones cannot get. Now it also has 2 other heads. We've got a cooling head and also a heating head. Now the heating head gets to right around 113 degrees, and the heat that it gets from is actually from your massager right here. But this right here, this is a cooling head, and it's made of, it's almost like some gel that's in here. And what you're going to do is you're going to put this in your freezer, letting it sit in there for a couple hours, and then when you're ready to use it, you're just going to go ahead and, like all these other pieces, you're going to push it in there and just make sure it clicks a little bit. When you're ready to take it out, just kind of wiggle it and just pull that right back out. Now, what I like about this too is we do have a handle, because I have some areas that are on my back. I can't reach those. I would need some help. I need my wife to do that. But with this, now I don't have to. So for instance, I'm going to take this one head right here. I'm going to put it in. And then when I'm ready to use it, I can go ahead and reach back there. I can use 1 or 2 hands to hold this handle. And I can really get really far back there. This is something I definitely couldn't do by myself. Or if I'm working, sometimes I'm working this way around my lats where it attaches to my serratus and also my rear deltoids. That helps too. And this does have 6 speeds. Right on the back here are the controls. You hold it down, that's speed 1, and it goes all the way up to 6 speeds. When you get up to there, you can click it again, and it's going to just start over. When you want to turn it off, you're just going to do a hard press, hold it for about a second, and it's going to go ahead and pop off. Now, when you're ready to do the heat, you can see here, we've got a special attachment right here. So you want to make sure that's in there really good. I just kind of push it in there. There's a little click. I'm going to turn it on. This is the heating button right there. You see it's red. It says HH. That means it is heating. It's heating up right now. If you want to turn that off, just hold it for a second. It's going to say HO. So now it's off. Super easy to use. I love having one of these around my house, so that way I can always hit those troubled areas, whether it's on my quads, my calves, my the